Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, middleweight sport bike. This bike is in showroom condition with only 172 miles on the odometer. Just acquired, perfect condition. Make your Ninja dreams come true. This gorgeous 650 twin for just $54.99. Save thousands over the price of new. Come by. We've got financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.